Hey, hello everyone! Welcome to my second video about VI. VI, the first use of VI. I have memories about it. I'm going to tell you a little story. It's a young penguin who is adventuring for the first time in the VI editor. He had seen this command in a YouTube tutorial. He wanted to follow the instruction and enter the command on his terminal screen to edit a config file. In the VI text editor, he tried to enter text, but nothing happened. Getting frustrated, he tried to leave the text editor. Intuitively, he pressed the escape key, but nothing happened too. Finally, he shut down his computer with the power button. And he swore that I will never use this command again. I made this video to help this little penguin to quit the VI text editor. And of course, I will publish it on YouTube too, hoping it can help you too. Of course, I will show you soon in another video how to use the VI command. Because it will be a shame to not be able to take advantage of this command that I find quite effective to use once we have learned to use it. You wanted this time, so here it is. I will answer to the question how to quit the VI text editor. In this example, I have already opened a config file with the VI editor, so I recommend you to start by pressing the escape button, just in case you are in a mod, for example the VI insert mod. This is an example of what it will show you if you are in insert mod. So that's it. When you are not in edit mod, you have to write :Q to quit VI and press the keyboard enter key. If the file has been modified, you will have a beautiful message just like this one. I did not save the files since my last modification, so this message prevent me that. So to close the VI editor without saving modification, you have to do :Q and an exclamation mark to confirm. And if you want to save your file, type :WQ. W is for write and Q is for quit. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful to you. Oh, we have a message. Oh yeah, thank you for telling me that it was a useful video for you. Don't hesitate to support my work. Have a nice day. Bye bye.